Good morning, students. Today's class, let us start with a revision of first lesson, that is drilling jig, constructional features, types and users. So let us see what is jig. So jig is a device, welding device. It is not just welding the job, it is supporting the job, locating the job and also guide the cutting tool. That means it holds the job, means it clamps the job, support the job, giving proper support during the operation. And thirdly, it is locating so that no marking is required, no individual piece marking is required, so that directly you can do the operation. And finally, it gives a guide to the cutting tool. That means tool is guided by the jig. Any tool such as the jig is prepared for drilling and allied operation only. So for these operations, the tool is guided by the jig. So let us say types of drill jigs. Drill jigs may be divided into two types, open and closed. Open type means only one side operations can be done on the job, and closed type means the box type jig is prepared and other sides also the operations can be done. So this is called a closed jig. Closed jig or box jig, also called box jig. Next, most common used jigs are template jig, plate jig, table jig, sandwich jig, angle plate jig, modified angle plate jig, box jig, channel jig, leaf jig, indexing jig, solid jig, post jig and trunnion jig. So let us see one by one the types of drill jigs. First one is template jig. This type of jig fits over on or into the work and is not usually clamped. They are simple and cheap. They may or may not have guide bushes. When bushes are not used, the whole jig plate may be of that type. So this is template jig, means a simple plate is prepared. In that some cases the drill bushes are fitted, or without drill bushes are also used, and directly clipping on the job and doing the necessary operation. But this jig doesn't give any clamping procedure. The clamping procedure it doesn't give. So this the design of a particular type of jig will be based on the position where the drilling or its allied operation are to be performed. The shape of the piece part. That means a jig is the jig is designed according to the shape of the job and also the type of operation to be performed on the job. So on that basis, on these 2 points considered while designing the jig. Next is plate jig. This jig consists of a drill plate which rests on the component to be drilled. For correct positioning, locating pins and clips are provided. For heavier piece part, sometimes clamps are not used. Generally, a base plate will not be available for this type of jig. So plate jig is a simple plate. In this, drill bushes are fitted so that it can be used for more runs or more parts. But base plate is not provided, so that clamping is not there, and so this plate jig is designed or used mainly for large jobs, heavy jobs, so that no clamping is required. Since the job is heavy, no question of displacing the position, and such cases this plate jig is used. Next one, table jig. By the name itself we can understand that the jig in the shape of a table, so it is called a table jig. It is also called a turnover jig. This is used when it is necessary to locate the piece part from its face. For accurate seating of the jig on the machine table, 4 legs will be provided on this type of jig. That means jig is used for the job where the bottom surface of the jig must rest on the machine table, and necessary force or necessary pressure will be controlled by the jig, and this jig is heavy enough to perform the operations. Next, sandwich jig. By the name itself we can understand that it is something like a shape of a sandwich. So the job is like the clamping of the job is such a way that the job becomes a sandwich in the jig. This is ideal for thin or soft workpieces. which may bend or warp due to force while machining. In this type of jig, the component will be sandwiched between the base plate and the drill plates. That means the job is kept between the base plate and the drill plate, so it is like a sandwich, and proper clamping is there, and after the clamping is over, with the drill bushes, the necessary drilling operation or allied operation will be done. Next, angle plate jig. These jigs are used to hold work which are to be drilled at right angles to their mounting located. So this jig is angle plate jig, means in the like an angle plate of the marking table. That means only 90 degree. The job is held at 90 degree by supporting the jig, and only 90 degree operations, means drilling can be done at perpendicular to the angle plate. Only this type of operations can be done. Modified angle plate jig. Here the angle plate can be tilted other than 90 degree. Means if other than 90 degree holes are required or operations or drill holes are required, so this drill jig is used. Means here the job can be clamped other than 90 degree, less than 90 degree can be clamped, the job can be clamped. Box jig. This is made in the form of box or for a framework. The component is located and clamped at one position, but drilling can be done from different directions as required. When a box jig contains bushings on or two or more sides for drilling from different directions. So this is box jig, means the shape of the jig is like a box. So job is kept inside the box and necessary clamping is done, and the operations can be done not only from one side, from all other sides also. If required other sides also, the operations can be done. So that type of jig is called box jig. Channel jig. They are the simplest form of box jig. The workpiece is held between two sides and machined from the third. So here the channel jig is, the shape of the jig is like a channel, U shape, and the clamping is there. This channel is kept on the job, and clamping is done with the knobs, and through the drill bushes necessary operations can be done. Latch or leaf jig. This type of jig will have a hinged cover with the latch clamps for easy loading and unloading of components. The cover with the latch must be positively located and clamped so that the bushes are accurately located with respect to the component. So here latch jig means it is like a latch, how the door opens with the help of latch. Similarly, a hinge is provided and opening is there, keeping the job inside. Then top hinge cover is closed and necessary clamping is done, and with the clamping nut the job is held securely and the necessary operations will be done. Indexing jig. Indexing jigs are used to accurately space holes on other machined area around a part. The jig uses the part being machined as a reference plate. A spring-loaded plunger indexes the part. Indexing jig means here the jig can be indexed. After one hole with a certain distance or certain degrees, other hole can be done by indexing. That means equispaced holes can be drilled with the help of this jig. Solid jig. This can be used while drilling small piece parts. The body of this type of jig is machined from a solid block of steel. So this is a jig which is used for small jobs only, because the jig itself is solid piece. Solid piece jig is used, and the whole component is kept inside the piece. Sits in the jig is single piece, and necessary operation is done, required operation done. But totally this jig is a solid piece. The jig is made from one single piece, so that it is meant only for small parts. Post jig. This is used for location from a bore. The post should be as short as possible to facilitate loading, and at the same time it must be long enough to support the workpiece. So post jig means is the shape of the jig like having a bore. The shape is having, the job is kept in the middle and necessary clamping is done, and the necessary holes will be drilled. Trunnion jig. This can be used when large awkwardly shaped workpieces are to be drilled from different directions. This is a further modification of box jig which is carried on trunnions and rotated from station to station and a position using an indexing device. So this trunnion jig is used for large and awkwardly, means uneven shape of the job, and where the shape is not proper, uneven shape of the job, this jig is used. and this jig is having a indexing type, so that station after one hole is drilled or one operation is done, for the next operation certain distance is maintained, so station to station the job will be rotated and the drilling, the necessary operation will be done. So total jig is a special device, as I told you in the beginning of the lesson. It holds the job, supports the job, locates the job, and also guides the cutting tool during the operation. Jigs are designed to accommodate one or more components at a time. Jigs are available for drilling and allied operations. That means for individual marking is not required. Once the jig is prepared, you can do many pieces, like 1,000 pieces together, one by one, without marking, just with the help of a jig. So that is the advantage of this jig, and these jigs are designed for mass production only. It is not used for single piece part, or it is used for mass production when many parts to be prepared. So the drill jig is designed. So drill jigs are used for drilling and allied operations such as reaming, tapping, countersinking, counter boring, spot pacing. For these operations the jig is prepared. Okay, thank you students.